Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Horses are of three types. One, that wherein there is a reward for a man. Second, that is a screen for the other man. And third is a burden for another man. So it is a cause of reward for a man who has kept it for fighting in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He then fastens it with a tether in a meadow or a garden, and that man will procure the rewards in accordance with the area up to which the tether will go. Then if it, breaking the rope, goes beyond one or two knolls, the master will earn reward in exchange for its each step and dung. And if it passes by any canal and drinks water from it, that will be counted as his reward, even though the owner has no intention to water it. So it is a reward for a man to keep a horse for this purpose. If a man keeps a horse to benefit himself and avoid begging, and does not forget Allah's right over its neck and back, zakat, it will be a screen for him. If a man keeps a horse out of arrogance and vanity or show off, or in the enmity against the Muslims, it will be a burden for him." So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked about the asses. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No precept has been revealed to me in this connection except for this general and comprehensive verse. Then whosoever has done good of an atom's weight shall see it, and whosoever has done evil of an atom's weight shall see it." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4962.